Curious about creating a cool 3D picture effect in CapCut? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to make a stunning 3D picture effect using CapCut. Let's dive in. Open CapCut. Tap on New Project. Select the photo and tap on Add. Look for effects in Editing panel and click on it. Select the body effect and go to Superpowers. Now tap on Body Streak. Tap on Adjust. Keep the horizontal at 54 and intensity at 70. Tap on the tick mark. Now go to the video effects. Search for Extravagance. Tap on the first option. Keep the speed at 55, filter 0 and atmosphere at 80. Tap on the tick mark. Now preview the changes. Like this, your 3D picture effect is ready. Tap on the top right corner of your screen to export your project. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.